Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and Happy New Year to everybody out there. January 1 is today, and there is a lot of news to cover already on the very first day of the year. Unfortunately, some of that is FUD, but there is a lot to be excited for, and so I'm going to tell you both sides of this story and tell you what I think comes next, and that's what we're going to do here at the Crypto Report. I'm Cryptokip. If you haven't done so already, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. And guys, we are currently at 6,000.2 subscribers. And when we hit 10,000, we're giving away that money. And now, when we hit 25,000 subscribers, we are going to give away a loaded lion to the Crow fam. All you got to do is follow us on Twitter and follow the giveaway instructions there and get your chance at a loaded lion. Guys, let's look at these charts to start the year. I'll refresh the page real quick, but we're looking at an $800 billion market cap for crypto overall. Bitcoin with a 40% dominance, Ethereum with 18.4% dominance. Looking all right to start the year. Slightly an upward move right now. Very, very slight. Typically, we're going to see a lot of volatility in the beginning of a new month. So we could have to wait for the traditional markets to open. So we'll keep an eye on that for you guys there. Looking at some of the other coins right now. Everything's just kind of doing the same. Cronos right now is going up just a touch, up little less than 2% here in the last 24 hours, I guess. So we're looking all right. But what's the big story right now? Well, Mr. Whale Chart on Twitter came out and gave a heck of a tweet saying the SEC classified FTT, this is FTX's token, as a security. Not good for hashtag Crow, hashtag BNB, and other exchange tokens. So one thing I want to highlight here. Mr. Whale, who likes to fight a lot of crypto projects, and by the way, he likes to fight a lot of things. When you look at his Twitter, your goal for 2023 should be to lose less money than you did in 2022. Another tweet, if you think Christmas is bad, the next one is worse. So this is the kind of attitude that he does have. But that's basically what this guy does. And so when he talks about this warning, notice how, first of all, he leads with Crow. Very interesting that he leads with Crow. I think that shows you that Crow is very, very large. In fact, he talks about Crow before he talks about BNB. And what we need to recognize is that Crow and Crypto.com and Chris Marszalek, they have done the best job in terms of getting regulatory approval as they've been expanding into different countries. Another thing I want to note here is it's very important to realize what this even means. A lot of people don't even know what it means when people are saying, hey, they're going to classify Crow and Binance now possibly as a security, because we've seen coins that get classified as securities go down in price. But this is all on fear. And we do know that Crow and Crypto.com survived some massive fear after the FTX fallout already. But one thing you need to know is that this has been known all year. Somebody wanted to tweet back that the SEC classifies exchanges, NFTs, and Meta as securities. And some folks even say that just so everyone knows, all crypto is technically a security. Anything that creates a taxable event is a security. If you like Michael Saylor agrees and thinks that everything is a security. The point we need to look at is whether or not Crow is a security or not. Is that bad for the coin? The point is Crypto.com doing the right thing as a company? That's the real question. And the answer, guys, is yes. So this is more FUD from a fuddy dudder. Now, if this does become a security, certainly the price could go down. But guys, the bottom line is this. We are in a bear market. Downward price movement is always possible, and we're buying the dip because we know there will be another bull cycle, and we do believe that regulation will come that will not only create more crypto and Bitcoin adoption, but it will also help all the not just the institutional investors get involved and see the real value in crypto and look at the green flag that governments would be waving if they did regulate these. But it would also bring people like you and me, normal folks, mass crowds of people to start getting into crypto, because once that regulation comes, it's saying game on, crypto's here to stay. The government officially puts a stamp of approval on it when they regulate it, no matter how they regulate it. So Very interesting to see how this all plays out. More FTX fallout. Wanted to share this with you guys, and I find it interesting how he's focusing on CRO and BNB. I'll talk more about that in a second. But this is true. Just so you know, the SEC has called FTT Exchange token a security, and there's going to be more to come with this. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see. And also remember, the SEC is a bunch of criminals at this point. I mean, it's been shown that you had folks from the SEC that had to step down from getting wined and dined with Sam Bankman-Fried. So there's a lot that's going to come out from this. And so, look, guys, I'm not worried about it. CRO's done some great things, and that's what we want to take a look at real quick. Crypto.com is planning for the year ahead. They know all these regulatory threats that are coming. Are they stopping? No, they're doubling down. They're doing market research, and they did a great job at doing that. If you guys haven't checked this out already, I put this out in a recent video, but they are planning for the year ahead, and they're looking back at previous years, and they put out a lot of really great market research. But this market research shows that crypto is growing and crypto is continuing to come. And basically, if you look at this, it shows they are planning on a lot to happen in crypto. And they plan on a lot more adoption to come, more adoption in centralized exchanges, moving from centralized exchanges over to DeFi is something we see. There's a lot of that. And I think that the world of gaming on blockchain is coming as well. They talk here, they expect to see AAA games, which we've talked about, decentralized societies, and even SBTs, which barely anybody's heard of, soul-bound tokens, digital identities. Guys, there's a lot to come. So a little bit of FUD. I'm not worried about it. Would it be great if the SEC classified Cronos as security? Probably not, but are we going to get past it? Most certainly, so long as Chris Marsliak, Crypto.com aren't pulling any shenanigans like FTX's Sam Bankman-Fried. Guys, the price of CRO is low. And here's what I want you to remember. The last year has been brutal for CRO. It's been a brutal year. But guys, it's a bear market year. Remember all the good times? So what we're looking at right now is the bottom of a market, and we are looking at the best time to buy. Could there be more downside? Absolutely. There certainly could be more downside, but I personally do not expect to see too much more downside at this point. And when you look at what everybody likes to focus on is that this price is so low and how bad it is, and they like to point to the like CoffeeZilla is a guy, he likes to point to like this chart. It's like crypto crashed and died, right? Well, every time there's a bear market, crypto crashes. That's how it works. If you're in the space, you understand that. And if you're not, a lot of people don't. But what we look at in the crypto space is the 4-year cycle. And guys, any FUD in the middle of these cycles is a better buying opportunity for you. That's just how it goes. And you look where Bitcoin's at historically, and it's basically in a fire sale. What a fantastic price for us to consider buying, guys. I'm very excited about it. And remember, Mr. Whale on Twitter, what is the first coin out of his mouth? It's CRO. Second coin is Binance. You got to realize that Binance has a huge market cap. The market cap of Binance right now is $40 billion versus CRO's $1.4 billion. If CRO took the market cap of Binance, you'd be looking at $1.59 CRO coin, guys. And I do believe that CRO is at least as half as valuable. And clearly, Mr. Whale, the big bear, the big fudder in the crypto space on Twitter, thinks that, you know, Crypto.com and Binance are in trouble, but he focuses on Crypto.com. Why? Because he knows that it's a relevant player and he knows that it's big. He would even probably agree that CRO and Binance are comparable. I do believe that CRO could take a lot of market cap. If you had a $20 billion market cap for CRO right now and it was half as valuable, and then it went all the way up and we had a 5x in the next bull market, guys, you take a, what is that? A 75-cent CRO and you multiply that by 5, you're looking at a 3-something, almost a $4 CRO coin at that point. If it takes half the market cap and it's half as valuable, and we have a 4 or 5x in the next bull market from here, by the way, from here. Guys, these are the things that I like to think about. Don't let the FUD scare you. The FUD will always be around, but you just got to remember where we're at historically for crypto, and you got to remember to subscribe at the Crypto Report because we are giving away this loaded line when we hit 25K subs, and we are also going to be giving away $1,000 when we hit 10K subs on the channel. Guys, that is all I got for you today. Thanks for stopping by. Happy New Year to everybody. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, guys, to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you would like to check them out. Peace.